So today I have been yelled at, cursed, threatened over a simple Facebook ad which I paid for, and the guy who is the author of those beautiful words directed towards me, he himself signed up for the ad. So I was advertising my newest listing on Facebook and Instagram paid ads. I put like snippets of the house, just a 4 pictures, a little description, and then to see more you have to click on the ad. You have to provide your full name, email and address and telephone number in order to get access to the remaining pictures. He did that yesterday and he was immediately put in my system. He was put on a campaign which is asking him different questions through telephone number, through his email. Where are you looking to buy? Are you still looking to buy? Do you have a lender you're working with? So he did it by himself. Nobody made him do it. Hopefully nobody made him do it. But who is to be blamed? Of course, us realtors. It happens very often, unfortunately. If you are such a client, please note that the moment you send me a simple text message saying, please stop, please don't send me anything, I am not interested, I will take you off the campaign and you're not going to be receiving anything else. Or if you are a civilized person, you can call me and tell me, I'm sorry, I clicked on the ad because I was curious, but I'm really not looking. It was just out of curiosity. Please remove me from your marketing or whatever. That's enough. Same situation happened to me when I was looking for a real estate website developer, and I came across different platforms and different websites for website developers, and I clicked on some of them and I provided my information because I wanted to see more. And then they were calling me, they were texting me, but as a civilized person that I consider myself to be, I just called them and I said, please stop sending me stuff. I have already gone with another developer and I'm not interested in your services. Calmly, professionally, but to the point, right? Worst case scenario, I just block the person and I never pick up the phone from them again. And this gentleman, by the way, who is, I believe, an elderly person, he was calling me in the morning like 5 or 6 times, leaving obscene messages on my voicemail that really, when I listened to them, I was like, appalled. I would never talk to anyone like this. The point of this video is to remind people to be kind to each other, no matter the circumstances. I cannot stress this enough. This industry has opened my eyes to different types of people, to different types of behavior, and sometimes it's hard to comprehend that anyone can behave like this. Be kind.